POWEROWL AAA rechargeable batteries. Check online for further detail about the quantity you are after. A POWEROWL charger. 8 batteries could be charged at a single time. Unpacking the product comes in a plastic bag. Opening the content to the table, they are individually wrapped with an instruction guide. 4 per package, 24 batteries. For the first time, please charge your batteries by taking the positive, placing it into the charger of your choice, and allow it to charge up. When your old disposable batteries are worn out, simply change out with POWEROWL triple charge batteries, 1.2 volt rechargeables. POWEROWL batteries, they're rechargeable for thousands of times of recycle use. They can be used in remote controls, any device that requires AAA batteries, air conditioner remotes, your key fob, flashlights, and more. Anything that requires AAA batteries, POWEROWL chargers to charge AA, AAAs, and more. Enjoy your product if you are looking for AAA batteries for your toys, remote controls, key fobs, and more. Thank you for viewing POWEROWL AAA batteries.